Philippines!
Good morning! Sino ba diyang gumigising na maganda na? Ito yung mga taong natural pangit. Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Tignan yung mukha ko, di ba? Ganyan yung mga pangit na mukha. Pasensya na kayo, may pagka-abnormal lang talaga itong babaeng to. Anyway guys, good morning sa inyong lahat. Just kagigising ko lang guys, inopen ko lang yung blinds para naman papasok yung araw sa loob ng bahay. Anyway, so yun.
You're in there, check and see if they want usually he throws up more than that.
Huh?
Usually he throws up more than that, so I'm gonna be on place.
Okay, I have to check. Did you throw up bag somewhere? Say good morning, love. Look. Morning,
He
people.
has to pick his dishes up at night. The food they leave at night,
Yeah?
in the morning he's so hungry he just eats everything that's left.
Isn't that the hair bowl?
Well, it's all the hair bowls, but it's also...
Labahan guys, ang dami. Ano, yung mata ko pula-pula pa, di ba? Labadami labango. Ito na yun guys. Sino ba yung pag may binibiling mga damit, hindi mo na susuotin, kailangan siyang labhan mo na bago mo suotin, no, di ba? Kasi alam mo na maraming nagta-try on sa mga damit sa tindahan, so kaya kailangan labhan. Pero mostly yung mga bra wala namang magta-try. Yung lang mga damit, pants, ganun. Wala ding mag-try ng panty kasi bawal, o di ba? Ito yung mga nabili ko pala sa tindahan, guys, o di ba? Ganito ako guys, kapag maglaba, hindi ko sila dinadryer, hinahang ko sila, iwan ko, basta mga bago ganyan. Pag mga ilang buwan na, kung ando na sa dryer, guys, bahala na. Wala nang pakialam kung nagsishrink. Pero anyway, alam ko naman yung mga tela na mga damit na hindi dapat i-dryer kasi halata naman mag-shrink sila, o di ba? Yun, pagkatapos kong nag-laundry, dito ako nag-i-edit guys, trabaho galore. Ganito yan guys, kapag walang gawa, naka-cellphone, ganon. Katulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon, nag-i-edit ako, nag-voice over. And of course, meron akong company, meron akong hubsy boy. At saka itong mga couch ko guys, punong-puno ito ng pillow, merong blanket kasi ito yung mga relax na lugar na tinatambayan namin ni Mister, yung couch talaga, yung living room talaga namin. May mga pelo yan, may mga blankets, para naman komportable yung buhay. Itong bahay namin, hindi naman ito showroom. Tinatawag ng bahay para maging relax yung buhay, o diba? Ay guys, natulog kami balik guys. Pagkatapos ko ditong nag-edit sa cellphone. Look, my husband is talking. He's talking to his son. And nag-edit ako kanina guys. Nakatulog ako dito. Yeah, Tammy and I fall asleep. Another second early nap. That was an early nap, guys. It's like 8 o'clock and then nagising kami 10. O, diba? Dito lang naman sa couch. Ito yung relaxation namin, guys, pag the couch is for napping time.
Entertaining your son.
You're entertaining your son. Okay, but he doesn't want entertain. He want food. Naligo na si ako, guys. Presko na yung palulot. Palulot talaga. Anyway, so ngayon, guys, lunch time. Kaso yung lunch time natin, siya? Hindi ako mag-rice kasi nag-rice ako kaninang umaga. So ngayon, guys, mag-cereal tayo kahit pang umaga ito. So, ayaw kong mag-bread, ayaw kong mag-rice. So, cereal na lang. Konting cereal at saka yung almond milk. O, diba? Pang breakfast yung kain. Kunti lang. Diet kunti. Diet kunti. Masarap talaga. Alam nyo guys yung kaibahan. Kapag kumakain ka ng rice kapag umaga. Hindi ako nanginginig. Hindi ako pinapaningot ng maraming singot. Hindi ako pinapawisan dahil sa gutom. Kasi usually kapag mag-bread ako or mag-cereal sa umaga, ang mangyayari, itong katawan ko, pag 11, almost 12 na guys, humihingi na ito ng something, pagkain, mga bread, chocolate, basta maalo lang yung sugar ba? Sugar rush daw yung sabi namin. Naligo pas Mister. Naunahan ko pa siyang natapos. Siya yung unang naligo. Ako yung unang natapos. Ako yung late. Yeah. Si Tammy yung parang babae sa bahay. Si Tammy yung babae sa bahay. Okay lang.
It says I've something valve to send to you, but I don't see it.
Feed the kitten.
Scat.
It's a cat.
It's, you know, it's an old joke.
What happened? There's a cat in that car?
3 guys going to, and they're traveling, they need a place to stay, so they go to the little farmhouse. And, one of the guys is a little bit, like, not really, he's a little bit retarded. So they come to the farmer and say, look, you know, we really need a place to sleep for the night, you know. And the farmer says, like, well, you can sleep in my barn, but there's one condition. No one, and I mean no one, goes near my daughter. so, oh yeah, that's fine. So they go into the barn, and you know, the daughter is a little. So she comes into the barn, and she goes to the first guy, and they're having sex noise, and the farmer turns on the lights. Who's out there? And the guy goes, meow. The farmer he shuts the lights off and goes back to bed. Later on that night, the daughter comes back, and she goes with the second guy. And they make noise, and the farmer gets up, turns on the lights.
So they're having
shotgun in his hand and says, who's out there? And he goes, meow. So I guess the guy, he shuts the lights and goes back to bed. And then he goes to the third guy, who's the one who's a little retarded. She's with the third guy, and they make some noise. The farmer gets up, grabs his shotgun, turns on the lights. He goes, who's out there? He goes, it's the cat! It's the cat!
Honey, oi, what a weird story, baby. So no one can touch her daughter, but the daughter kept going to guys to guys.
Right. 3 guys. Same thing. They go to, you know, as a farmer, they can have a place to sleep for the night. And not, no, can't touch my daughter. Farmer finds out that they caught these 3 guys screwing around with his daughter.
And
the farmer says, all right, I want each of you to pick your favorite fruit.
favorite fruit?
Right. So one guy, one guy picks cherries, the farmer takes them, bends them over to pull his pants out, shoves those cherries up his ass, and he's crying like a baby. And the second guy picked peaches. The farmer takes them, shoves those peaches up his ass, and he's laughing his ass off. The first guy's crying, how the hell could you be laughing? And he goes, because Joe picked a watermelon.
The one get the watermelon. You're crazy, man.
Old jokes from when I was a kid, huh? Those jokes are old. When I was a kid.
I never heard of that.
Yeah, well, I'm sure those jokes were around before I was actually born, so.
Yeah, it's American joke. We don't have that. After sa lakad namin, guys, nagpunta ako dito sa tindahan para lang naman, you know, alam nyo na, bibili ng mga gamit para sa mga karaoke daw natin. Trouble pa ito, pero for sure hindi ito itatapon ni Mister. Oh my God, ang init, guys. Dito kami sa sa warehouse. Nagbili ako ng, bumili lang ako ng mga dishes sa party. Ngayon, this coming 23rd. And mag-barbecue lang. And then, bumili lang ako ng mga dishes na throwable para pag magamit na, itapon na lang siya ba. Kasi, you know, alam na, at saka mga baso, ganun. Do we have a problem, my dear? Tulog lang kami ng tulog, pero pagod pa rin, guys. Kahit anong gawin, pagod pa rin. We're so tired for some reason. What happened? Hello, where is the vegetables I bought? You think I'll cook this tomorrow? That's what we're gonna have tomorrow. So, pero guys, magluto ako ng burger. Maglinis ako sa labas. So, kailangan kong igalaw-galaw yung katawan ko kasi iwan ko, guys, kung anong nangyari sa akin. Ganon ako ng cellphone. Habang nakaganon ako ng cellphone, ganon ako. nakatulog ako. So kaya, gano'n na naman ako. Hindi kinaya yung katawan ko. Tulog kami ng tulog. Pagod pa rin, sleepy pa rin. Iwan ko na lang si Batman kung anong nangyari sa amin ni Tami. Okay guys, so ito yung dinner namin. Kakain lang kami guys. Late na guys. Late na yung dinner namin. It's a late din. So, yun yung araw namin guys, pakain ng pusa sa kapatid ni Tami. Nagpunta sa tindahan at saka nakikinig sa mga kakaibang joke ni Mister na hindi natin mag-get, so diba? So anyway guys, ito na, kumakain na kami ng dinner at saka iin ko na tong vlog. Salamat po sa time ninyo. As always, hug and kisses. Salamat!